At Endeavor, we've made large format 3D printing accessible, affordable, and easy with the Apogee 3D printer. The Apogee's enormous 1 cubic meter build volume and dual independent extrusion, IDEX, opens up numerous opportunities for manufacturing-related tooling, including molds, prototypes, jigs, and fixtures, design-related parts for prototyping and mock-ups, end-use parts including new, spare, end-of-life, and obsolete parts, artistic pieces for special effects, museum exhibitions, castings, and human and medical models, and custom signage, large, small, indoors or outdoors. High quality and high-end features at an affordable price make the Apogee a welcome addition to any business, lab, or studio. The clear enclosure keeps temperatures consistent while also providing a 360-degree view during the print process. Doors on all 4 sides provide easy access for removing a print as well as cleaning and maintenance. Independent dual extrusion uses 2 separate tool heads to print with multiple materials simultaneously, further expanding your opportunity for unique and complex prints. Apogee supports a wide range of filaments from various manufacturers, including PLA, PETG, nylon, ABS, ASA, TPU, PC, PVA, carbon and glass-filled filaments, as well as most other filaments that are commercially available. The Apogee toolheads are swappable and customizable for unique applications. The standard Apogee toolhead takes advantage of the E3D Revo swappable nozzle, which can be changed without tools in less than a minute, and includes high flow and wear-resistant nozzles, ranging in a variety of sizes from 0.4 millimeters to 1.4 millimeters. The heated print surface includes automatic leveling and automatic mesh generation for uniform printing and improved bed adhesion. The Apogee interface is simple and easy to use. Access the printer via Wi-Fi Direct or add it to your local network. Check on the printer from multiple computers, tablets, or even your phone. Other features include internal and external filament feeding that supports most any filament spool size, filament runout sensing that pauses printing when material has run out, stage lighting for illuminating the print during the printing process, various camera mounting capabilities, and G-code support from most available 3D print sizers. Endeavor 3D and Apogee, bringing creativity and innovation to 3-dimensional life.